In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in WorkDocs on Monday.com. Let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your productivity by leveraging AI within your projects. First, start by opening or creating a new WorkDoc in Monday.com. You'll want to head over to your workspace, then click on plus add and select WorkDoc. Give your document a name and open it up. Now you're in the familiar environment of the Monday WorkDoc editor, where you can type, add widgets, and collaborate with your team in real time. Now let's access Monday AI within your WorkDocs. There are a couple of easy ways to do this. First, you can highlight any text within your document and then click on the AI assistant, which is represented by a sparkling icon. Once you click it, you'll be presented with a variety of actions to choose from. Alternatively, you can type the command out AI or simply click the AI panel located in the toolbar to get started. But what about using AI templates for common tasks? Monday AI comes loaded with pre-built templates designed specifically for WorkDocs. These templates can help you with tasks like brainstorming ideas, rewriting or polishing text, summarizing sections, generating task lists or plans, and even creating meeting notes or project outlines. For instance, if you highlight a paragraph and select the option to summarize this text, AI will quickly condense that paragraph into key points for you, making your life a whole lot easier. When it comes to writing and editing smarter, there are some common AI commands you should definitely try out. Commands like make this more professional, rewrite this to sound friendlier, summarize this in bullet points, generate 3 creative title ideas, and expand this section with more detail can significantly improve your document. Here's a pro tip. The more context you provide to the AI, the more accurate and relevant the results will be. If you're looking to generate new content instantly, AI is your best friend. Simply type /AI and try prompts like create a project brief for a new product launch, draft an onboarding checklist for new employees, or generate a weekly progress summary. The text will appear instantly and you can edit or expand it as needed. One fantastic feature of WorkDocs is the ability to connect boards and use live data. By typing FAQ and selecting either board or dashboard, you can insert live data directly into your documents. AI can then summarize or interpret this information. For example, you could ask AI to summarize this table of tasks into a project update, and it will generate insights based on your live data. Let's not forget about collaboration with your team. Monday AI is designed to work seamlessly with your team. You can tag teammates, draft messages, or use AI to summarize comments. The entire team can edit and run